Conditional verbs into action verbs using the be suffix. So first off, we're going to look at some conditional verbs. Ti saplal, so the bread is fried. That's the first bullet point. Asdak ti skabo alta saftlo, the milk is inside the fridge. Asgak ti shagl, the door is open. Aslach ti quad, the cup is full. These are all examples of conditional verbs. They're describing the condition of something. As-tseich tisaplal is describing the condition of the bread. It is fried. As-dak tisqabo altasaftlofolali. As-dak is describing the location of the milk. As-gak tishagl is describing that the door is open. As-lech tiqweqwa describing that the cup is full. The be suffix can be added to these verbs to make them an action. So look at this sentence. It's using a conditional verb. Asqol tibayats. The meat is barbecued. Now we add the be suffix to this to turn it into the action of barbecuing. Oqolb ched atabayats. Notice that we're using an O prefix instead of us because O is used with action verbs. Oqolb ched atabayats. I am barbecuing the meat. Astech ti saplal, so the bread is fried. Astech is our conditional verb that's describing the bread. It's fried. And then we add the be suffix and it becomes the action of frying. Otzechab ched ata saplal. I am frying the bread. Notice how be becomes ub when used in this sentence. Sometimes the or the upside down e is put in between the end of a root and the be. The has no meaning. We have things like this in English, like the s in cats. It just means that there's more than one cat. In the es in buses, which means there's more than one bus. There's no difference in the s or the es. They're just pronounced differently with different words. This is just like the be and the upside down eb suffix. So the notes to remember: when you put the be suffix at the end of a conditional verb, it turns them into an action. And when you have an action verb, you make sure to use the o prefix because us is not used with action verbs. And also when you have the be suffix, ata is going to mark the receiver. The receiver is the thing that is receiving the action. So what is being done to? What is being fried? What is being opened? Asgak tishagl, so the door is open. And then we add the be suffix to it, turn it into an action. Ogak abchash atashagl. We are opening the door, or we open the door. Aslach tiqweqwaad. The cup is full. We turn it into an action, add our be suffix. Olach abched ataqweqwaad. I am filling the cup, or I have filled the cup. Aslich tisqouts. The potato is cut. Let's add the be suffix to the verb to mean cutting. Oshich abched atasqouts. So I am cutting the potatoes. Asqualt tiquo, aspoch tiquo. So the water is boiling. Add the be suffix. Oqualt abched ataqo, opoch abched ataqo. I am boiling the water. Asquabe tis ashid, so the food is prepared, it's ready to go. Add the be suffix. We have an action. Oquebab chash ates ashid. We are preparing the food, or we have prepared the food. Asquas ti saplal. The bread is scorched or it's toasted. We add our be suffix to it to mean toasting or scorching. Oquasab ched atasaplal. I am toasting the bread, or I am scorching the bread. So here's the notes of what we covered. The be suffix can be added to verbs to make them an action. Action verbs use the o prefix, not the us prefix. And when a be suffix is used, ata marks the receiver.